And at the Dell TI Now studio at Mobile World Congress 2015, we have Joyce Mullen. She's the Vice President and General Manager of OEM Solutions at Dell. And Joyce, welcome to the program.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
Well, thanks for giving us your time. I know you're
Pleasure.
extremely busy with the booth here, but also with the rest of the show.
It's really busy, but it's really, really fun.
Good.
Glad to be here.
It wasn't long ago, Joyce, that Dell got into the telecom space. I want to find out what was Dell's original intent in getting into this sector?
So, Dell has a long history of identifying opportunities to bring additional value to customers. We did this with PCs of 25 years ago, nearly 30 years ago. We did this with workstations, we did this with servers, and we hadn't actually participated in this $50 billion telco market very substantially. But we decided that it was a really great opportunity to bring Dell products and solutions into a space where they hadn't existed previously, and then deliver that incremental value to customers and hopefully help reduce the profit pools that existed in that space.
Go ahead.
So we're really happy we did. I mean, it's obviously a growing sector and we're happy to be part of it.
Of course, there's a lot of clear opportunities, as you mentioned, in the telecom space for a company like Dell, but certainly a lot of challenges as well. What sort of challenges did you experience over the last few years?
Well, I think to start with, there are some very specific technical requirements that one has to meet. So we had to put our products through a whole bunch of redesign and certification processes to make sure they met the specifications required by this industry. And we did that. And then since then, we've been, I think, in the right place at the right time because the market is moving away from proprietary systems to x86-based COTS solutions or standard solutions, and that is exactly where we play at our most effectively.
Joyce, certainly Dell sees the value in the partner ecosystem that's very evident in your booth here. Is you not only have one or two partners, you have many, many partners. What value do you see from your perspective in that ecosystem?
Well, as the technology and as the solutions are moving towards this standard-based capability, NFV is a great example, it is really clear that no one company can provide the end-to-end solution by themselves. So we rely very heavily on our partners to both provide an incremental value to customers, but also to complete that solution. And we have 6 or 8 of them displaying here with us, and then we've obviously been meeting with many partners throughout the show.
I want to find out what your immediate projection is for Dell in the telecom space.
Well, our plan is to continue to do what we've been doing, which is work with the NEPs, work with the carriers, work with the ISVs, work with the Red Hats of the world and the Wind Rivers and the Intels of the world to try to figure out how Dell can add specific and unique value. And then continue to grow. We've got a great history. We had a tremendous year last year and we expect to have another one in FY15. But there's a lot of space in this industry. As I said, the market's moving to a place where Dell is very, very good in this standards-based architecture, x86 architecture, and we expect to be a leader here.
Joyce, you've always been a big supporter of TIA, not only on our board, but also a supporter of the TI Now studio.
Yep.
Of course, we're here right here in the Dell booth, so we appreciate that and that support.
Well, thank you very much, and thanks for being here.
Thank
Love
you very
having
much,
you.
Joyce.
Okay.
And once again, to our audience, for all of our content from Mobile World Congress 2015, you can go to our website at tinow.org. So long.